Hello everyone, welcome to a special edition of Sunday Stroll. I thought it would be rather spectacular to come to Wisley Gardens in Surrey. Her Majesty the Queen opened various new places, especially the glass house many years ago. So this is to honour Her Royal Highness and to share with you our beautiful reflections around birth and death. So let me stroll around these wonderful, we're in the vegetable garden at the moment, which, as you know, is something that is close to my heart, growing organic veggies. The cloud has just come over. I think there's something quite spiritual about that. It was beautiful sunshine and now the clouds are here. Look at how this garden has been extraordinarily grown. I mean, how is that possible? A pumpkin growing on an archway. Just magnificent. There's all these extraordinary colours, beauty, growth, flourishing. Just spectacular. So, oh, there's a bit of blue sky there. So, my friends, let me share with you, the rain's coming, share with you some beauty and some growth. I might have to wait till the rain stops. See you in a minute. So, I'm hiding under another archway to show you some beautiful seedlings and the magic of having some space to grow. So if you come closer, you can see that they've also planted, you can see just how small they're beginning, and they're all clumped together and they'll be lifted out and given more space, and then as they grow stronger they can cope with more space. And I think this is a beautiful metaphor to recognize how we need to grow and have space as we develop and change in our lifetime. And if we come over here through these beautiful flowers, you can see this extraordinary cucumber family. You just hold your breath, look at this. And this is my deep bow to our common humanity. We all come in different shapes and sizes. Look at the majesty in that. What magnificence, and how unique and unusual. I've never seen anything like it. Look how this one's grown. Wow! You wouldn't find one of those on your kitchen table. Not as a cucumber anyway. Just superb. And if I pan back out, you can see where it's growing. Whoops! On this extraordinary, beautiful archway. And here, as you know, I've been growing some sweet corn. And again, this cycle of life, these changes, you can see that this sweet corn is almost finished. Beautiful. Ooh, I think there's a gardener doing some cleansing, and this is what we do need to do. As things die off, we need to clear a path for the new, honouring our life cycle. But I just want to close up to, oh, look how magnificent nature is. Look at these beautiful twirly whirly, oh, these wonderful feelers reaching out to, oh, someone is actually harvesting the sweet corn. But they're reaching out for strength and support, and this is what we need in our life, isn't it? So they can hold on, cling on, reach out, and then expand out and grow. Just magnificent. You can see some tomatoes in the background. And look at these. Are these mange too? Some sort of pea pod. And again, really recognizing the whole natural cycle, the beauty, the majesty. Look at the colors, perfect for Her Majesty the Queen. Her love of purple. And how things change and grow. And the perfect environment for things to grow. So here we have, it's amazing how tiny. Obviously, all these are grown from seed. And now look at these. Again, let me zoom out. Look at this extraordinary archway. And you wouldn't think it would be possible for something this big. I don't know if this is a sort of pumpkin. Can't see a sign. Look how huge that is. This is the size of my hand. And that is being held on by just this little arm of the plant. So anyway, here we have a celebration of all things natural, as is our life and our death. Look at this wonderful, huge, beautiful black banana plant. Wow! So let me move along here. I'm loving how everything is in arches. Look, here we have some more. Oh, this one's had a little bit of help from the humans to hold it in place. Wow. And these ones just holding on. I mean, how extraordinary is that? So it's interesting, these plants have been given some protection. Look at that magnificent purple again. Is this some form of cabbage? Spinach? Look at those behind here. What is that? That's an extraordinary butternut squash of some sort. And I love these flowers. This is gives me such delight in my own little veggie garden when you see these magnificent little flowers. So I thought I'd share this little section here. And these wonderful flowers, I think they're begonias, growing in harmony and in complement to these, what I think are some form of cabbage. And this is something that the symbiotic nature, the complementary supporting of different plants and flowers can be. And of course that makes beautiful parallel with, oh, here's my shadow. Is this dill? Oh, it's fennel. Fennel, of course it is. And again, the requirement of space. So I thought I'd just give you a little panorama of just how beautifully this garden has been laid out. Veggies and flowers dancing together. And you'll never believe it. Look at these. These are tiny, or like miniature sunflowers, but they are extraordinarily heavy and strong. You come a bit closer. They're almost rubbery. They're so solid. Extraordinary. Anyway, obviously they're past their prime. I just wanted to share with you the exquisite natural beauty that has been gently carved into a human space, and of course the majesty, the beauty, the magnificence. I love the sound of water. Let's just close with this wonderful fountain, reminding me of that our life continues to flow. May there be joy and celebration as we recognise all the delights, the magnificence, the growth of being part of this magnificent world, and also recognising that everything flows and everything changes. And hearing that different accent. Look at this amazing tree being gently guided to grow in a particular way. My goodness, Queen Elizabeth II certainly was guided to grow in a particular way, and she demonstrated discipline, structure, service, loyalty to her duties. So sending you all a beautiful, it's difficult to find words actually just how beautiful this is, and this is just one little patch, not very little, beautiful big patch of veggies and all the magnificent colours and shapes and textures and sounds in this garden. I hope it's brought you as much joy as it has me. And look at these, just want to touch everything. So soft and so bright. So, at the risk of talking far too long, to send you many blessings for spacious ease and transition as some of these plants are just beginning to grow and some of these plants are in their completion phase, and will return to the earth as we all will. So finishing on a note of the magnificent sunflower. Go gently, my friends. Bye for now. So I thought I've come to this beautiful sky-high view. This is where we were walking and sharing the amazing veggie garden. Isn't it just magnificent? And in the background there are some orchards and I think there's some vineyard over that side. And look at the view all the way back there, it's so stunning. And there's some bees over there being looked after, saving our planet. So once again, wishing you a magnificent day. And enjoy the sun breaking through these magnificent clouds. Sending love and peace to all, no matter where you are in the world. We share this one sky.